How to change region on Steam. First things first, log into your Steam account on your computer. Once you're logged in, click on your Steam name in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Details. On the Account Details page, look for an option called Update Store Country. Click on that. You'll be taken to a Steam support page. Scroll down until you see a section about updating your country settings. Take a moment to read the instructions. It explains that if your location has changed or you're abroad, you can update your country settings. If you're still not sure what to do, or if you need to change your country for a specific reason, click on Contact Steam Support. Scroll down and click on Contact Steam Support again. From the drop-down menu, select the country you want to switch to. In the message box, explain why you need to change your country or region. Be clear and concise. If required, attach a file such as a passport or driver's license to verify your identity. Once everything's filled out, hit the Send button. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial on changing your Steam country or region. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And remember to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming!